Hello, happy Monday. Sorry I'm not there. I'm at a doctor's appointment. But this is our last social studies lesson before our test. Okay, our test is on Wednesday, so let's get through this lesson so tomorrow we can review together. Okay, the last thing we have to go over about Native Americans is that they had to be, they were forced to move out west. So they were in Indiana, which is kind of the east side of the United States. So United States map, let me show you. So, Indiana is right here. And so the Native Americans lived in this area and they had to be moved out west. Okay. They started moving out west, and you're going to find out the reason why today. Okay. Your goal is to identify and describe why the Native Americans were relocated, or they were forced to move in the 1830s. A lot of them moving from the east side of the United States to the west happened in the 1830s. Okay, so you have a video here, and I want you to think about the situation from the European side. Okay, have you ever met somebody that was really different from you, right? How did it make you feel? A lot of the reasons why they had to leave was because of how they made other people feel. Okay, which is kind of crazy, but that's just the times that it was. So you'll watch this video, and I didn't find a lot of online resources, and a lot of them were hard to read. So instead of you reading a whole bunch of articles, I have written out what I researched on this topic, and I put it easy for you to read here. So why were the Native Americans forced to move west? There are 4 reasons why. Okay, sorry about that. There are 4 reasons why the Native Americans were forced to move out west. Here are the 4. I put the 4 here, but then I'm going to explain the 4 in the following slides. Okay, so read through the slides, get an understanding of the 4 reasons why they were forced to move. Then here, you are going to read from Indiana Nation, page 109, and you're going to write like a 4th grader. Don't be lazy, okay? On the test, you're going to be graded on whether or not you wrote like a 4th grader, okay? What did the government do that made the Native Americans leave? Did the Native Americans want to go out west? Cite evidence from the text to support your answer. If they say, yes, they wanted to go out west, give me evidence from the text. If you say no, you need to give me evidence. So you're going to quote, no, no, they did not want to move out west. Something along those lines. I'm trying to be quick here because I only have so much time on the video. And then you would say, I read in my book that, and then you would say whatever the quote is, okay? And you put those quotation marks to let me know you got it straight from the book, okay? Now, when I say cite, you're taking a quote directly from the book and putting it in your sentence, okay? Next, you have this map here that shows you how they were right here and they moved out west, okay? Take a look at it, answer the question, write like a 4th grader. And then lastly, you are going to write a 3 to 5 sentence summary about why Native Americans were forced to move out west. Be descriptive. Give examples. Talk about the map. Talk about the 4 reasons why they were, the biggest reasons why they were moved out west. There's probably 100 reasons why they had to move out west. I gave you 4. I expect you to be descriptive and give me details in this last slide. Now, when you are done with these slides is when you can start on your paper. Now, you are supposed to be done with your paper. I expect your paper to have 3 paragraphs. A paragraph is 3 to 5 sentences. 3 to 10 sentences, really. Okay, it has to be more than 3 sentences. Okay, you have all of this you need in your first paragraph, all of this you need in your second paragraph, and all of this answered in your 3rd paragraph. I am grading based on this. I'm going to look at your title page. If you have this, you get 4 points. If you have this, you get 3 points, and so on. Okay? For your spelling, if you have a lot of grammatical errors, right? No sentence has correct capitalization or punctuation. You're going to get a 0 points for that. There is a possible of 28 points. Okay? This wrote in 3rd person, that just means you don't say, I built the wigwam, I did the hunting, I would have done this, or I would have done that in the tribe. You're talking as if you did the research. You're just saying, they did this, they built with the wigwams, they went hunting, they had this religion, okay? That's what it is. Do your paper.